Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word annual. This is a B2 level adjective that means happening once a year. The word annual is often used when talking about events, reports, or traditions that occur every year. For example, you might hear about an annual festival, an annual budget, or even an annual family reunion. It's a handy word to describe something regular and recurring in a yearly cycle. Let's talk about some synonyms for annual. Words like yearly, once a year, and annually can be used in similar contexts. For example, you could say, the yearly conference attracts professionals from all over the world, or we review our finances annually to ensure everything is on track. Now, let's look at some antonyms to highlight contrasting meanings. Words like irregular, sporadic, or occasional represent something that doesn't follow a fixed yearly pattern. For instance, their meetings are sporadic and depend on availability, or this event is occasional, so there's no set schedule. In everyday life, you'll encounter the word annual in many contexts. Think about an annual checkup at the doctor, an annual subscription for a magazine, or an annual performance review at work. These examples show how the word fits into both professional and personal settings. Let's look at some sentences to bring the word annual to life. The company holds an annual meeting to discuss future goals. The town's annual parade is a highlight of the summer. I look forward to my annual vacation every December. So, to sum up, annual is a versatile word that describes something happening once a year. Whether you're talking about events, traditions, or routines, it's a great way to express regularity in a yearly cycle. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear your examples using the word annual. Create your own sentence and share it in the comments. Who knows, your sentence might inspire someone else. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.